Hello students, good morning. Let's start another topic. Searching made easier. As you can see the name searching made easier means you can search easily your files. How you can search easily your files quickly? The following steps are there. Windows 7 allows you to quickly search for files in your computer. Windows 7 has a feature to search your files quickly. Simply type some text in the Start menu search box. You have a search box in the Start menu as you had seen in the desktop, and click on the See More Results option above the search box. Above the search box there is a button. When you will type a message in search box, there is a button See More Results. Click on the See More Results option button. When you will click, a result will be came out like this. You will immediately see a list of relevant documents, pictures, music, files and emails on your computer. You can see these lists, a list of documents, pictures, music, files and emails on your computer system. The search results are further grouped by category. There are some categories above. All the options are grouped in a category and even have highlighted keywords and text snippets to make them easier to scan. So there are highlighted keywords are there to make your files search easier. Okay, so these are the methods to search the results, and you can see all your files, music, files, pictures, all are in this search list box. Okay, next topic is Windows 7 taskbar. You had seen the taskbar like this in the desktop of your computer. The Windows 7 taskbar is more flexible and provide an easy navigation facility. More flexible and navigation facility means Windows 7 has a feature of navigation facility. Navigation means to open your programs quickly with a simple click, with a single click. That means a navigation facility. So Windows 7 has only this feature. Okay. You can pin your favorite programs anywhere on the taskbar for an easy access. If you want to access very quickly to your program, you can pin your favorite item here. You can put your favorite icon as a shortcut icon of that program. You can put it on this taskbar. You can preview the thumbnail of the open files or programs by pointing to their icons on the taskbar. To preview in the full screen mode, simply move the pointer over the thumbnails. If you had opened many files, there is a thumbnail option. Your all the files whichever is opened on your screen, the full screen mode, you can preview it from the icon and you can see your uh, file in the full screen mode also. Okay, Windows can even be closed from the thumbnail preview. Windows can even be closed. Windows can be closed from the thumbnail preview also. A narrow arrow peek feature allows you to turn the open windows transparent and makes the desktop screens visible. To do so, just point to the Show Desktop button at the right edge of the taskbar. Arrow peek features, what it allows you to turn the open window to the transparent if your window will be transparent, you can make or you can see the desktop screen visible. You cannot able then you cannot able to see your current window because it will become transparent. And to do so, just point the show desktop button. You can choose the show desktop button at the right edge. This is the show desktop button. When you will choose it, you can see the all the icons and all the windows are present here. So this is all about the topics of this chapter number 2. Last but not the least, jump list. What is a jump list? If you want to jump one of the file or one of the any icon, you can choose this feature. Jump list is a new feature in Windows 7 which allows to view the pinned documents, pictures, songs or websites that you are use frequently. Whatever you use frequently, if you will be pinned that list, you can choose it from the jump list option. To open a jump list, just right click on the program icon on the Windows 7 taskbar. It will display a list of recent modified documents within that program. For example, the jump list for Internet Explorer shows recently opened websites. When you will click on the Internet Explorer, right click, then you can see the opened website whichever you had used recently. Okay, जो भी आपने recently use की है, you can see that list, that website list. Just like that, you can open any software, any program. This is only an example of Internet Explorer. You can open any program, just right click on that and you can see the jump list of the recent used programs. You can jump to the any website by clicking on it in the list. A jump list allows appear on the start menu. Simply click the right arrow to a program name in order to see its jump list. Just like that. It is a programs and you can see this recently opened, frequently opened these websites. You can see that in any program you can see there is an option and there will be a right side list. You can choose that recently used programs anytime. That is a jump list option. Last is Windows Media Center. Watching TV, movies and other Windows contents on your computer, it is easier than ever. With a cable connection, you can watch and record TV shows using Windows Media Center. In Windows Media Center, you can watch TV, you can see the movies, you can watch other videos contents also if you have a internet connection. Okay, so these are all about the today's topic and the rest of the explanation of this chapter. These are some points which you have to be know about it. So learn these recaps. It can become in one word and exercises also. Thank you, class.